So now we're going to switch over and we're going to cut out a flush head fastener. This is a HL13 V8. It's a 1/4 inch tension head, flush head, titanium HI-LOK pin. To start, we're going to get our vacuum system ready. I've already installed the black hose into the vacuum puck. Now we've got our vacuum module, connect it with an air hose, and put it to the side. And now we've got nice solid vacuum on our vacuum puck. So again, 5-step guide to successful fastener removal, right? Step 1, set parameters. I know that's an HL13 V8. I'm going to come over to the part number select here, hit the drop down menu, and then select HL13 V8 and push save. Remember, always push save. That's going to load your profile in. So same thing here, I'm going to run the conducting tube all the way out. Until it gives me that nice red light. I'm going to thread on my electrode. Again, 0208, because that's what the screen told me to put on, right? HL13, current operation, depth 105, target time 8 seconds. Recommend electrode 0208-0. Next, I take my wrench and tighten it on. Now, we're going to use our vacuum flush head adapter and guide setup. Again, black guide because I'm using a 1/4 inch or an 8 electrode. And I'm going to verify that that O-ring is in good working order. Very important part of that O-ring to keep all the water inside the cut zone. To install it, again, I'm just going to put it on until it hits bottom and give it a 1/4 turn. Now I'm locked into place. Once again, retract all the way back. Until we get that nice green light and our screen says ready. Locating. I've got my vacuum pump here. On the side, there's a float switch that allows me to brake vacuum and move it. If I don't release that, I've got solid vacuum on my plate. The minute I do, I can lift it to move it around. Now, locating on a flush head fastener is going to be a visual location. We've got no mechanical interface to lock onto or to guide us in any way. So we're going to use our APERTURE BOMBSIGHT kit. Selecting the proper aperture for the fastener to be removed. You want to take an aperture, place it around the outside diameter of the fastener head, and verify that you can see the entire fastener head inside the aperture. If it's too large, it's going to give you room for error. And if it's too small, we won't be able to see the whole fastener head, and we're not going to be sure where we're at. So pick the proper sized aperture for the fastener to be removed. We're going to install this onto the BOMBSIGHT and put our puck into place. Now we drop our BOMBSIGHT in. There's a small magnet on the top of the puck here. The minute I move over that, our BOMBSIGHT lights up and gives us a nice clear image of what's going on inside. I hit that float valve switch, come over until I'm directly over the top and I can see just the head of the fastener inside that aperture. Now I know I am located dead center and true to the fastener shank. I remove the BOMBSIGHT, take my hand tool, make sure we still got the nice positive grip, high pistol grip, and squeeze with that middle finger. Give that positive spring pressure, pull the trigger, and don't release until the light turns green. Cutting process is started. That green light comes on, tells me again the cut is complete. Hold it there for 3 seconds, vacuum up that excess water, and remove our puck. You can see again, we're left with a totally concentric cut groove on the head of that fastener down to where the depth, where that head and that shank meet, and we stopped. Same process here as well. We're gonna cut it out. So I've already got my size 8 punch installed. Install the air hose, Make sure we're down inside that cut groove before we pull the trigger. Nice positive pressure. Squeeze once, and the fastener shank is driven through.